Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn wood craft to income. Today we are diving into a powerful and highly practical topic: high-margin wooden chair and stool designs that buyers love to own, with special emphasis on stools. While chairs often steal the spotlight, stools are the silent profit machines of the woodworking world. They require less material, less time, less complexity, and yet, when designed intelligently, they can command premium prices and sell faster than many larger furniture pieces. If you are serious about turning craftsmanship into consistent income, stools deserve your full attention. They are compact, versatile, easier to ship, easier to produce in batches, and easier to customize. In short, stools can become your workshop's most reliable revenue stream. Let us explore how to design, position, and build wooden stools that look exceptional, feel premium, and deliver strong margins. When we talk about high-margin products, we are talking about a simple formula. Perceived value must significantly exceed production cost. Stools are perfect for this formula because their structural requirements are straightforward, yet their design potential is unlimited. A stool can be minimal and modern. It can be sculptural and artistic. It can be rustic, industrial, or luxury-focused. But in all cases, it remains smaller than a chair. That size difference changes everything financially. First, material efficiency. A stool requires less lumber than a full dining chair. Less wood means lower raw material cost. If you select premium hardwood such as walnut, oak, or ash, you can still maintain manageable material expenses because the volume is small. Premium wood on a small object creates a strong luxury impression without overwhelming cost. Second, production time. A simple three-legged stool can be completed far faster than a complex chair with backrests and arm supports. Reduced labor time directly increases margin. If a chair takes 8 hours and a stool takes 3, but the stool can sell for half or more of the chair's price, your hourly return increases dramatically. Third, shipping advantages. Stools are compact. They require less packaging and lower shipping fees. Online buyers appreciate lower shipping costs. As a seller, you appreciate improved margins. Now let us talk about design strategies that elevate stools into high-margin territory. The first strategy is sculptural form. A stool does not need a backrest to express identity. In fact, the absence of a backrest gives you freedom. Curved legs, flowing bases, carved seats. These elements transform a simple object into a conversation piece. Imagine a stool with a gently carved concave seat that fits the human form. The carving is subtle, smooth, inviting. Customers immediately feel craftsmanship. That small carved detail justifies premium pricing. It communicates intention. Another powerful design is the tripod stool. 3 legs instead of 4 create visual lightness and stability on uneven floors. When legs are slightly splayed and joined with precise angled mortise and tenon joints, the structure becomes both functional and elegant. Precision joinery adds strength while reinforcing craftsmanship value. Joinery is where high-margin positioning begins. Loose screws and visible brackets lower perceived quality. Tight joints, seamless transitions, and smooth intersections increase perceived worth. Even if customers cannot explain why it looks better, they feel the difference. Minimalism is another profit driver. A clean cylindrical seat with perfectly rounded edges supported by tapered legs can look sophisticated when proportions are correct. Proportion is critical. If the legs are too thin, the stool looks fragile. If too thick, it feels heavy. Balance creates elegance. Bar stools represent another lucrative category. Kitchens and home bars require multiple stools at once. When a customer needs 3 or 4 matching pieces, your revenue multiplies instantly. Designing stackable or coordinated bar stools opens doors to larger orders. Comfort matters, even in stools. Slight seat contouring, footrests integrated between legs, and ergonomic height improve usability. Practical comfort combined with strong design increases repeat customers. Now let us focus on finishing. Stools are touched constantly. They are moved frequently. Durable finishes protect your reputation. A matte hardwax oil finish highlights grain while maintaining natural texture. A satin polyurethane adds durability for commercial use. The finish must match your target market. Premium buyers respond strongly to tactile experience. Smooth edges, soft transitions, and refined sanding elevate a stool from basic to boutique level. When someone runs their hand along the seat and feels flawless smoothness, value perception increases instantly. Customization also strengthens margins. Offer different wood species. Offer height variations. Offer optional upholstered seat pads. Each customization carries additional profit potential without significant production change. One of the strongest financial advantages of stools is batch production. Because components are repetitive, you can create templates and jigs. Cut multiple legs at once. Shape multiple seats in sequence. Efficiency improves with repetition. Consistency improves with jigs. As efficiency improves, profit margin expands without increasing price. Another overlooked factor is branding. High-margin stools are not just objects, they are branded experiences. Consistent photography, cohesive color palettes, and professional presentation create trust. Position your stools as design pieces, not utility items. When photographing stools, focus on shadows, grain detail, and scale. Show them beside kitchen islands, beside modern sofas, beside work desks. Demonstrate versatility. A stool can function as seating, a side table, a plant stand, or an accent piece. Multifunctionality increases buyer interest. Let us examine price psychology. A low price signals mass production. A confident mid to high price signals craftsmanship. If your build quality and presentation justify it, do not undervalue your work. High-margin positioning requires confidence. There is also strong opportunity in artistic stools. Organic, flowing shapes inspired by nature or modern sculpture can become statement pieces. High-margin wooden chair and stool designs are not about complexity. They are about clarity, proportion, precision, and smart positioning. And within this category, stools stand out as powerful income generators. They require less material, less time, and less shipping cost. Yet they hold enormous design potential and strong buyer appeal. By focusing on sculptural forms, ergonomic comfort, durable finishing, and consistent branding, you can transform simple wooden stools into premium products that buyers love to own. When executed with precision and confidence, stools become more than seating. They become artistic, functional investments for modern homes. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.